Join us this summer in the Sketchbook project and get started by making a cover. Kids absolutely love this, and it gets you creating together. And say sketch down below. It's free to join, and we will take you through this first step of creating your beautiful cover. If you have any questions, pop them down below. We're happy to chat anytime, so let's get started.
Hi, Elise. Hi.
All right, this is probably my favorite color of all time. The light ultramarine blue by Golden So Flats. Yeah, I like every painting I do. I just love it, and I don't know what it is about it, but it's so pretty. I think I sold the last 2 or 3. I use this as a background color too. Not that it matters, but obviously other people also feel that it's so pretty. And I have a lot of people ask what color it is too online. Oh, this cover of the sketchbook's going to be gorgeous. She seems to be going down without any issues, so that's good. I took her out of the sketchbook and transferred her onto my cover, my new sketchbook, which I still have to fix that eye. I will, or just leave it. I don't know, we'll see. I want to do some collage on the cover though. It'll be really pretty. That turned out great. Keep checking to see if anything is lifting or bubbling. Trying nice. Now I've got some pre-cut collage pieces here from my friend Jessa Dupuy's collage kit, which I should put in our sketchbook project. It's so cool. I'm going to. Here, I'll show you after I get this down. I told you I'm not a careful collager. Her collage starter kit, and it comes with a bunch of pre-cut beautiful pieces, so you can just go for it without thinking about it too much. And she kind of puts it together for you, and it all kind of fits in a certain style, which obviously for me is, she knew florals. I'm a floral lover, so it will all come together very fast, which if you're not and I have these gorgeous flowers that I pressed as well, which we go over. Pretty. The collage kit also comes with these trusty scissors. Which I love. Where'd that go? Ooh, it kind of fits there. Does it? Who knows? Things are definitely getting wild-like. Go. bit of greenery to this with these. These are also in our Amazon shop as part of the sketchbook project. I prefer them to Posca's because they have a brush tip and a fine tip. And they don't dry out as quick. I've had them for like 6 months, I think now, maybe 5. And they're still alive. So they've been tried and tested and true by many a children and sloppy artist. This one, a sloppy, careless artist who forgets about brushes and pens and all sorts of stuff. So if they are lasting for me, they'll last for anyone, because most people would take better care of their art supplies. This one works better. Yeah, oh, so vibrant. I think the other one didn't work because the other color that I tried before this one, because I think it dried out and I tried to save it. Sounds about right. I'll do one of those, but like a little, just a fall down one there. And one with some space. Gently, try not to hit the, but guys, stay out of my business. If you poop on my sketchbook, I'll be really mad. Huh? Yeah. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Again, just jumping around with that color. Having fun, popping it in different spots loosely. This red's really pretty. It's like a peachy red. Really gorgeous. I'm gonna put a little subtle drop shadow on some of this. See what that looks like. Give it a little more depth and detail. That's cool. Some detailing. Do you like it? I think it turned out great, didn't it? Okay. Do not poop on this, you little turds. Yeah, you. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Does that look like grass? Does that look like grass? Kind of.
What are you doing?
Just putting little dots on my...
Can I try? I want to put dots.
One right there. One last little dot right there.
Where?
Right there.